Honda HR-V installed for Convex CT-360 BirdView camera DVR. So this is rear camera. Okay, left hand side camera, a front camera, and right hand side camera. Okay, installed in Honda HR-V. Reverse. So right hand side will view for the reverse camera view, and left hand side is 360. Front, rear, left, right, 4 camera. Okay, it's got a remote control, so, and a sensor here. Okay, back to normal. Okay, press for the power. So this is front camera view. Okay, turn left, right, back. Okay, this is 360 camera. Okay, when you turn signal, now it's turned to signal left, screen will automatically change to a left camera. Okay, signal right, this is right camera. Okay, back to normal, this is front camera, auto switch to front cam. So this is CT-360 BirdView camera with DVR, installed in Honda HR-V. Video by 1bis. Thank you.